A short time ago, I was at the HRO Anaheim store with Jeff Paget, the manager there, and we did a quick introduction of the SOTA POTA 150 antenna system. Today, we're going to be taking another quick look at that and announcing a sale that's coming up. The SOTA POTA 150 comes in this great little case. Let's undo this. Once I open the case, you can see we've got ground radials, some banana plugs here. We have the main guts of the antenna, which has this adjustable inductor here. We have the connector for the SO239. We have the whip. And we have the extension rods, 2 of them. And we have this base that will allow us to connect the radials. Take out the spike. So you always want your antenna vertical, so just let it hang and then stab it. So I'm adjusting the antenna somewhere where I think it might be about right. Yeah, not bad. So 1.33 to 1.
I understand you're doing POTA, you've got a vertical antenna up and you're running 100 watts. Sounds pretty good for 100 watts with a vertical on a portable system. I'm in San Jose. A large portion of the group is in the Bay Area. I'm in San Jose, but we have check-ins all up and down the West Coast.
Very good. Well, awesome. Well, I appreciate you coming back to my call, and I will sit here and monitor the net. Thanks very much, N3JF. Okay, so we're at the 10 megahertz settings. So this is 10 megahertz across. We get closer, 2.5 megahertz. We can see that we're still long. So we shorten it up just a little bit more. Run it again. Getting closer, 1.15. I mean, that's pretty close. So I'm going to step back and run it one more time. Okay. So when I was a little further away, it dropped down to 1.07 at 14,230 megahertz. This is November 3, Japan, Florida, N3JF.
N3JF, this is N5DA. Did that change things any?
Oh yeah, you went from an S7 to an S9. Very good. How copy? Go ahead.
Oh yeah, you're a solid S9 here into Albuquerque, New Mexico, despite the lousy band conditions.
Yeah, I agree. Conditions have been absolutely horrible. I've been trying to do a review on an antenna, and conditions have been so bad. It's just been terrible.
Okay, is that a homebrew antenna that you're trying to do?
No, it's called a SOTA POTA 150. It's a vertical, has a little like vernier type scale, which you can adjust the coil on the bottom.
Well, first of all, your solid S9 here. Tell me what that antenna is again, because that sounds interesting. Go ahead.
So that's your quick review of the ham radio outlet SOTA POTA 150 antenna system. It's available at hamradio.com and also at your local ham radio outlet store. It's currently on sale You have to use the link that's in the description below, otherwise you won't get the sale price. So it's a limited time offer until either we sell out or the time expires. So don't waste any time. Place your order now. For Ham Radio Outlet, I'm Julian Frost, N3JF 73.